How to turn on dark mode on the YouTube mobile app, whether you're using an iPhone or Android device. Dark mode isn't just easier on the eyes, it can also help save battery life and make the app look a lot cleaner, especially in low light settings. If you watch YouTube in bed or late at night, this is a simple change that makes a big difference. So what I'll do is to open my YouTube mobile app, but this will also work if you have an iPad or Android tablet. So just open the app, make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account, and then we'll have to access our settings page. I'm now going to click on the U option located at the bottom right corner of my screen. After that, find this gear icon at the top right, and we're now on our settings page. The dark mode option is in this general section, so let's open this. And you're looking for this option that's called Appearance. There are 3 different options on this page. You can set it to Use Device Theme, which will automatically enable dark mode in the YouTube app as soon as your device theme changes to dark mode. But if you want dark mode to be enabled permanently, then just select dark theme and that's it. If this video helped you out and you need more YouTube tutorial videos, then just hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.